Hello students, welcome to English World. This is Heman Nabdya, English educator at SBM Sarda Bihar Bhopal. Today I am going to teach poem number 2, Fire and Ice, written by Robert Frost. So listen carefully and try to understand fully. Poem number 2, Fire and Ice by Robert Frost. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for distraction ice is also great and would suffice. So let's come to the explanation. Fire stands for desire here and ice stands for hatred here. First point, poet's idea or prediction about end of the world means here Robert Frost has given us two ways how world would end. According to poet, it would end in two ways, either in fire or in ice. Second, some say world would end in fire, means one group of the people of the world says that one day Earth's core temperature will lead to fire and would destroy the Earth's surface, and in this way the world would end. Third one, some say world would end in ice, means the second group of people says that the temperature will be very low and it will freeze the whole world, and in this way the world would end. Fourth, poet's experience and favor in fire means whatever he has experienced or tasted, he is going to favor the fire. Here, why he is going to favor fire? Because fire stands for human emotions. Fifth, if world had to perish twice, means if it would not end in fire and would end twice, then definitely it would end in ice, because it is equally competent in ending the world. Sixth one, poet knows human hatred. Here poet says that he knows human hatred and it is found in lump sum quantity. Next, for destruction of ice and would suffice, means human hatred has potential for inner destruction of the whole world, though it is slow and steady, but has the same effect like that of desire on us. So finally, according to poet, fire stands for desire. It includes greed, conflict, cruelty and lust. And ice stands for hatred, attributes: insensitivity, coldness, intolerance, indifferences, and rigidity. Finally, I am giving you summary and extracts. So go through the summary and extract along with the question answer to score 4 out of 4 marks.